They are the friends. Look at them. This is called real friend. Not like human being, but they are better than human being. Hello. Oh no, that's beautiful. Oh baby. This is the friends. Wow. Look at them. They are the best friend. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Unbelievable. This is really believable. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm even playing with them, and they both like to watch each other, what's going on. What's going on? Now he's done. Now he's done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Have you seen that? Huh? Have you seen that? Trains through, people watching from the train. That's a really entertainment. Yeah. And the cow was there. She's moved already. She passed away. And yeah. So I'm going to end up. Hope you like it, guys. This is India, somewhere in the forest. We're having a really chilling time in the jungle, and that's what I do when I'm around. I always do that. Thank you. Bye bye. He's back. He's back. He's backy. So we've been watched that before. We've been watched that before. You're crazy. You're very cheeky. Yeah.